Welcome student. Today we have to see derivation of collision frequency, that is Z. You know collision frequency is also known as collision number and it is denoted by Z. In order to derive this equation, first of all we must know that the relative velocity is under root 2 into v when the collision angle between the molecules is of 90 degree. Means when the collision angle is of 90 degree, then the relative velocity is under root 2 into v. This we have seen already, where this v is average velocity. Now, in order to derive the equation for collision frequency, first of all, you have to calculate the number of molecules colliding per cc per second. Means, if you know the number of molecules colliding per cc per second, then you are able to find out the number of collisions per second per cc. What is the definition of collision frequency? Collision frequency can be defined as it is nothing but number of collisions per cubic centimeter of gas per second. Okay, now see, you know that the collision takes place between the two molecules when the two molecules acquires a minimum distance sigma. And what is that sigma? Sigma is the collision diameter. Okay, where this sigma is collision diameter. Now the molecule sweeps off a colliding volume, means during the collision the molecule sweeps out a colliding volume and it will be equals to under root 2 into v into pi sigma square, because the molecule considered as a sphere, that's why its area is pi sigma square, and the relative velocity is under root 2 into v, that's why under root 2 into v multiplied by pi sigma square, that is under root 2 into v pi sigma square is the volume of a molecule swept out. Now if under a given temperature and pressure the number of molecules per cc of a gas is n, we have considered that the n molecules are enclosed in a container. Now the number of molecules which will collide with a particular molecule will be, it will be the volume multiplied by number of molecules. This is nothing but volume sweeps and this is nothing but number of molecules. That's why under root 2 into v as it is pi sigma square into n. This is nothing but number of molecules which will collide with the particular molecule. Now if we consider all n molecules are in a motion, then the number of molecules colliding per cc per second will be, again this term multiplied by n, means n into n, it will be n square. And what is this? This is nothing but the number of molecules colliding per cc per second if small n is the total number of molecules considered. Now you know that for a collision two molecules are required, means two molecules are required to produce each collision. That's why the number of collisions per cc, that is per cubic centimeter per second, is divided by this term divided by 2. Now solve it. Again it can be solved, multiplied and divided by under root 2. Okay, simple mathematics. Under root 2 multiplied by 2, under root 2 it will be 2 into v pi sigma square n square upon 2 into under root 2. Again 2 get cancelled, the remaining term will be v pi sigma square n square upon under root 2, and this is nothing but a collision frequency or collision number. In this way, this collision number Z or collision frequency is calculated mathematically by derivation. In order to calculate Z, you must know the important point, number of molecules colliding per cc per second. This. Later on, directly the number of collisions, here number of collisions, here number of molecules. First of all, calculate the number of molecules. How it can be calculated? See, initially you know the relative velocity of molecule must be under root 2 into v when the collision angle is 90 degree. Later on, for a collision, minimum distance should be collision diameter. Later on, volume swept by colliding molecule. This is relative velocity multiplied by area, okay, of circle, because molecule is considered as a sphere and but this swept volume is circular, that's why. Now, if under the given condition of temperature and pressure, the number of molecules in 1 cc of gas is n, 1 cubic centimeter में कितने molecule consider किए अपन ने? Small n. Now, that's why the number of molecules which would collide with a particular molecule will be this term volume multiplied by small n. Further, the number of molecules colliding per cc per second will be this. What is this? The number of molecules which would collide with a particular volume multiplied by n gives this, n into n square. Now, finally, the number of collisions per cc per second will be this divided by 2. Why? Because each collision required 2 molecules. That's why divided by 2. After this, here multiply and divide by under root 2. Why? Because simple mathematics. Here under root 2 is there. Under root 2 into under root 2, that is 2. This is 2 under root 2. 2 get cancelled. The remaining term is Z equals to V into pi sigma square n square upon under root 2, and this is nothing but collision frequency, that is number of collisions per cc per second.